Hey, what's going on, guys? Games here. In this video we're gonna have a look at the Didactic chess engine written by Dean Menezes back in the day, and bear in mind the fact that it's written in QBasic. I may assume that the program originates to early 90s. So I've been enjoying reading through the source code. It's quite pretty short, especially bearing in mind that it is written in BASIC, and the only parameter I've changed is the maximal is the search depth limit. So it was originally equal to 5. I made it being equal to 3 because otherwise it takes ages to complete the search. So this is kind of it, and if you're interested, then without further ado, let's actually go and test it. Okay, so I'm using DOSBox emulator, and the very first thing to consider, we need to mount the C drive, and here is the path. So I'm using home, username, and the desktop folder. Okay, then go into C drive, then CD to chess, CD to retro, like this, and then CD to QBasic 45. Okay, and QBasic dot executable. So here is the IDE. Okay, and I want to open the program. So here it is, Dean chess dot BAS. Okay, guys, so without further ado, let's have some fun. So here is the interface, and I need to probably just enable the caps lock here. Okay, here we go. So E2 goes to E4. Okay, I'm sorry, it's probably better make it like this. Okay, so it's like it shows like how it's searching. Okay, so let's go knight B1 to C3. Okay, B1 to C3. Okay, G2 to G3. I didn't yet play with this kind of engine, so I'm really wondering how likely it goes. So it wants to grab my knight. Okay, bishop from F1 goes to G2. Okay, and yeah, let's go knight from G1 to E2, protecting the bishop. G1 goes to E2. Okay, and hold on a sec. Oh, I just lost a pawn. No, I didn't. So I can still take. Knight takes. Yeah, okay, so knight C3 takes on E4. If knight takes, then bishop takes. Yeah, okay, so G2 takes on E4. Okay, well, this is developing as bishops. Okay, so well, let's go C2 to C3, and if it captures the knight, okay, C2 C3, then I'll take. Okay, no, it doesn't capture anything there. Okay, hold on a sec. Does it mean that it actually loses a piece here after D2 to D4? Does it really mean so? And also the rook on A8 might be in trouble if bishop takes. Yeah, actually, what happens if bishop takes on B7? Let's go for it. So E4 takes on B7. Yeah. Okay. Well, just grab the pawn. That's, well, I can no longer castle, but okay, so E1 takes on F2. On F2. Okay, I gotta check. Well, I can just step aside. So F2 to G2. Oh no, hold on a sec. I might be in trouble in that case. So maybe better going knight to. Oh. Okay, let's go F2 to G1. Yeah, my king is a bit unsafe here. Okay, I gotta check. Okay, D2 to D4. Yeah, it's quite pretty aggressive. This is interesting. This is really interesting. Well, Oh, and I lost a piece. Well, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Well, obviously, I don't know how to play chess well, but what this engine does really looks impressive. Really looks quite pretty impressive. So, yeah, okay, h2, h4. Yeah, it's really interesting to play with. And the user interface is really nice. Okay, d1 takes on e2. Okay, so it doesn't mind the exchange of coins. So what about the materials? If I exchange everything there, it would be 2 rooks and the knight, and I have 2 rooks and the bishop. Well, I think that I might have a slightly better endgame, and I don't really think this engine has an extended endgame knowledge, so I can go for it. So e2 takes on e5. On e5. Okay, queen takes, yeah. d4 takes on e5. Okay, so knight is hitting the pawn. So I guess c1 to f4, protecting the pawn. Okay, and here we go. So let's say g1 to... Well, first of all, I need to occupy the d rank. So apparently I can say like a1 goes to d1 first. Okay, so is this? No, this pawn is not dangerous. So g2 goes to f2. Sorry, g1 goes to f2. It's pretty playable. What I love about this kind of old programs, that they're so playable. Okay, and what else? So can I play, well, let's say rook to d4. So d1 goes to d4. Oh, hold on a sec. Nope, I just blundered the rook. So in that case, d1 goes to d3 potentially. Yeah. Okay. Oh, so it just took my pawn. Well, okay, I don't mind the exchange, so probably this bishop is a bit better, but anyway, let's simplify. f4 takes on e5. Okay, and now h1 goes to e1. Okay, yeah, this is really interesting. So I need to dominate. Okay, so maybe just d3 goes to d7 would be good enough. Okay, so if it takes, yeah, I think I can safely take the pawn. Or hold on a sec, I can even go for that exchange. So h4 takes on g5. Okay, and now d7 captures on c7. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hold on a sec. What is it doing? So let's say c7 to g7 check. Okay. Okay, and I say rook goes to e6, then threatening mate on h6. Is that the case? Yeah, that's the case. Okay, so I really hope to win this game. So e1 goes to, just try not to blunder anything, to e6. Okay, oh, there is a defense. Yeah, nice. Okay, at first list I can grab all the pawns. So let's say, well, the king is not going anywhere, or does he? Yeah, okay, let's say rook e6 to f6. And okay. Yeah, let's just grab the pawn. So f6 takes on f5. Okay. Okay, he took the pawn. Now let's go for, yeah, let's take it with the rook. Yeah, anyway, it does the check. So g7, G7 takes on G3. Okay. And yeah, it's not really well. I have a pawn majority. Okay, let's just push the pawn. So, or should I centralize the queen as well? Well, probably first, just to tie up the h8 rook, I would go rook f5 to f7. So I could be threatening the mate. Okay, hold on a sec. Did he just blunder mate in one? Is that ever possible? Is that ever possible? Is that a bug or something? Or am I gonna be blundering anything? Okay, f7 goes to h7. Am I gonna win this game? Hold on a sec. What's going on there? I've checked him. Well, it's something really strange going on about this program, because his king on h4 is in check. Is under the check. Well, okay, f1, f2 goes to g2. He gives up a rook. This is very interesting. Okay, I take that. That king is under the check. This is really strange. So g2 goes to f2. Can I win this game, please? Okay. Okay, f2 goes to g2. This is really getting interesting. Okay, he gives another rook. I'm really wondering what he's gonna be doing next, because it's already a checkmate. Okay, g2 takes f2. And he resigns. Yeah, not really that bad. So resign after being checkmated for 3 moves in a row. Yeah. Well, okay, guys. So this is it from my side. So I hope you've enjoyed this engine, and hope to see you in the next videos. Until that time, and take care.